Hello darlings, for today's video I'm creating a ghost eyeshadow look for Halloween. As always, I'm starting off by filling in my brows. I'm using the NYX Micro Brow Pencil in Ash Brown to create small hair-like strokes and enhance the arch of the brow. Once I've blended it with the spoolie, I'm adding some Ulta Beauty lip oil to keep my lips hydrated since it's getting drier outside, and then I'm cleaning up the lower edge of the brows with the Plouise base to make them nice and sharp, and I'm also setting the brows in place with the NYX Brow Glue. After that, it's time to prime. I'm tapping the Plouise base all over my eyelid with the Morphe JH36 brush and smoothing it out with a mini Real Technique sponge. This base doesn't need to be set with powder, so I'm going right in with eyeshadow. I'm using the James Charles palette and picking up the matte blue shade called Playground. I'm applying this to my crease with the Morphe M506 brush, going from the outer corner of the eye to the inner corner. I'm tapping this on to get a good color payoff, and then I'm starting to swirl my brush around along the edge to take it up higher and achieve a smooth blend. Now I'm switching over to the BPerfect Stacey Marie Carnival XL palette, and I'm picking up the dark matte blue shade called Mood. The reason I'm switching palettes is because there's not a deep blue like this in the James Charles palette, and I wanted to darken the crease to add some depth to the look before cutting it out. Once I'm done blending everything, I'm cutting out a half-cut crease with the Plouise base and Morphe JH42 brush. Since the base tends to mix with eyeshadow, I'm removing it with a Q-tip and then applying more so that it appears more true to color. Once I've gotten my cut to be super sharp, I'm taking a bit more of the dark blue shade and blending the harsh edge in the outer corner of the eye. Next, I'm dipping into the James Charles palette and applying the metallic navy blue shade called Cappella to the outer part of the area we cut out. Then I'm taking the lighter shimmery blue shade called Hello and applying that to the rest of the blank space. Now that I've achieved a nice blend with the shimmers on the lid, I'm starting to draw the ghost. I'm taking the Epic Wear White Liquid Eyeliner by NYX Cosmetics and drawing a line that follows the cut in the crease, and then I'm extending that line into a little ghost near the tail of my brow. I'm switching over to the black Epic Ink eyeliner and dotting on two eyes and a mouth. Moving on to face makeup, I'm using the Colourpop Pretty Fresh collection. First, I'm priming with the hyaluronic acid primer, then I'm applying the foundation in the shade Fair 20N and the concealer in the shade Fair 10N. After setting under my eyes with the IT Cosmetics Bye Bye Pore Setting Powder, I'm contouring the hollows of my cheeks and around the edges of my face and nose with the Nars Laguna Bronzer. Then I'm adding a beautiful frosty white highlight. This is the Glazed Donut Highlighter by Ofra Cosmetics in collaboration with NikkieTutorials. For blush, I'm applying the IT Cosmetics CC Plus Radiance Ombre Blush in the shade Je ne sais quoi, which is a peachier tone. Now, before finishing the eyes, I'm setting my face with the NYX Matte Setting Spray. I like to do this before applying mascara because I don't want it to smudge or anything like that. Now, I'm applying eyeshadow to the lower lash line. First, I'm applying the dark blue shade from the Stacey Marie palette, and then I'm blending that out with the light blue shade from the James Charles palette. Next, I'm curling my lashes with the Kevyn Aucoin Lash Curler, applying the IT Cosmetics Superhero Mascara, and popping on the Bold Face Epic Collection lashes in the style Dream Team. Now, I'm tightlining with the Wanderbeauty Skyliner, adding a pop of color to the waterline with the NYX Liner Stick in Blue Trip, and adding mascara to the bottom lashes. Finally, for lips, I'm applying the NYX Lip Lingerie XXL in the shade Turn On, and since this is a matte lip color, I'm adding the Nars Afterglow Lip Balm in the shade Laguna to make it creamier. I'm also tapping on a little bit of concealer to the center to lighten the overall lip look and create an ombre effect. And that completes this cute ghost look. Let me know what Halloween looks you'd like to see from me this year, and please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you next time!